Pack the Essentials, your guide to smart packing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and useful phrase that you'll often hear in English, especially when it comes to traveling or preparing for a new adventure. The phrase is, pack the essentials. Understanding this can not only improve your English comprehension but also help you in your daily life and travels. So, let's unpack what it means to pack the essentials together. The phrase, pack the essentials, is made up of two key parts. First, pack, which means to put clothes, items, or belongings into a bag, suitcase, or another container for travel or storage. And second, the essentials, which refers to the most important or absolutely necessary items you need. When combined, this phrase is advising you to bring only the most important items, leaving behind anything that is not crucial. Packing the essentials is crucial for several reasons. It helps to reduce baggage weight. Traveling light can save you from paying extra luggage fees and makes it easier to move around. Simplify your choices. With only the essential items, you don't have to spend much time deciding what to use or wear. Prepare for emergencies. Ensuring you have the essentials means you're more prepared for unexpected situations. Identifying what's essential can vary depending on the person and the context. Generally, essentials include clothing, suitable for the climate and activities planned, personal items, such as medications, glasses, or contact lenses, important documents, passport, ID, travel tickets, and reservation confirmations, money, cash and cards, electronics, phone, charger, and possibly a camera or ebook reader. Remember, the key is to keep it minimal and focus on what you truly need. Here are some tips to effectively pack the essentials. 1. Make a list before you start packing to ensure you don't forget anything important. 2. Consider the weather and activities you'll be doing to choose appropriate clothing and gear. 3. Use versatile items that can serve multiple purposes or be worn in different combinations. 4. Think about size and weight, especially if you're flying and have luggage restrictions. 5. Review and reduce your packed items. After packing, go through your bag again and see if there's anything you can leave behind. Packing the essentials is a skill that can make your travels and life more convenient, organized, and enjoyable. By understanding what it means to pack the essentials, and how to apply this in your packing strategy, you're not only learning a useful English phrase but also adopting a valuable life practice. We hope this video helps you on your next journey or adventure. Happy packing, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and English lessons. Safe travels, everyone!